Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube monetization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate YouTube monetization, start by signing in to your YouTube account. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, find and click on monetization. You need to meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements first. You also need to have a minimum of 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. If you meet these criteria, click on Start to proceed. Follow the prompts to review the terms of the YouTube Partner Program. After reviewing, click on I accept to agree to the terms. Next, you will set up an AdSense account if you do not already have one. If you have an AdSense account, link it to your YouTube channel. To do this, click on Next and follow the instructions. Once your AdSense account is linked, you will move on to the next step. You will be asked to set your monetization preferences. Choose the types of ads you want to display on your videos. After selecting your preferences, click on Next. The final step is to review everything and submit your application. YouTube will then review your channel for monetization eligibility. Keep an eye on your email for updates about your application status. Once approved, you can start earning money from ads on your videos. If not approved, you will receive guidance on why and how to improve. Remember, you can reapply for monetization after 30 days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.